So in this video, we're going to basically look at lots of scenarios without doing any calculations. We're really just trying to get at, how do you set up the hypotheses? So in this first one, an advertising company has created two versions of a commercial. They want to figure out which commercial is more effective. They have a group of participants watch version 1, another group watches version 2. This is sometimes called A/B testing in advertising. After participants watch the commercial, they rate how much they want to purchase the product on a 10-point scale. So they're trying to figure out which is more effective, so they don't know direction. So what's the direction of the test? It's going to be two-tailed. The null hypothesis in words is there's no significant difference, which is A. I guess I probably should pick it. And the null hypothesis in symbols is that they're equal, so that's D. The alternative hypothesis is that there is a significant difference, so that's B. And that in symbols, it's going to be that they're not equal, so that's C. There. All right. So this is part 1, but part 1 keeps going. So Human Resources Department wants to determine if there's a gender difference in terms of job satisfaction at their corporation. They know the population mean for male employees is 8.3 on a 10-point scale. They take a sample of 50 females and assess job satisfaction. So this one first is starting out, what's the alternative hypothesis? So the alternative hypothesis is there's a significant difference. In symbols, it would mean that they're not equal. And the null hypothesis is that there's not a significant difference. And the direction of the test, it's two-tailed because we don't know which one we're not assuming that either one of them is bigger or smaller. And the null hypothesis in symbols is that they're equal. All right, and then there are two more. So I've done 2 on this side, and then we're challenging you to do the last 2. So now I'll go do 2 on the other side, and then you get challenged to do the last 2. A department store knows that its average customer spends $96. A study was conducted to determine if people who pay for store purchases with a credit card spend more. Right? So the spend more means it's a directional test, right? More meaning to the right. And analysts took a sample of customers who paid with a credit card. So the alternative hypothesis now is directional because it's a directional test. So credit card spending more than the average customer, so spend significantly more. So that's what we're looking for. So that's C. Null hypothesis is that they're the same, no significant difference. In symbols means that they're equal. Alternative in symbols is that they spend more, credit cards spend more. And the direction of the test, more means to the right, so that's one-tailed right. All right, now I'll do the next block. At a consulting firm, the current project completion time is 15 days. They're wondering if a new software package will provide a shorter project completion time in comparison. So shorter time means less, right? Less time. So null hypothesis in words is no significant difference. Direction of the test is to the left, shorter time. Alternative is that it's a shorter average completion time. So C. In symbols, it means less time. So that's D. And null hypothesis in symbols is that they're equal. So that's B. All right, so I've done the first two, and then you get the next two following the same pattern. Remember, you're looking for, is it more, is it less? So good luck with those, and good luck with hypothesis testing. Thank you.